Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or to send WhatsApp notification for WooCommerce store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to make sure that you have WooCommerce and that you are using your admin panel. And after that, we will need just to go to our extensions, and from there, we will need to start enabling extensions that would allow us to add this feature. So simply just add either you can type WhatsApp or you can type notification. So here, I'm just going to type WhatsApp notification, and as you can see here, we can find notification with WhatsApp or order notification on WhatsApp, etc. You can choose any plugin that you would like and they will all do the works. So as you can see, there is those are the developers of these uh, plugins or extensions, and you can also add them by going to the plugins. So I'm just going to plugins and I'm just going to add a new one. So add a new plugin and I'm just going to type WhatsApp, and then I'm going to search for WhatsApp notification for my WordPress store. So simply you can find this one, click to chat, WC messaging with WooCommerce. So as you can see, you can use this one, or you can find, you can add WooCommerce, like type in WooCommerce and add WhatsApp so you can have more specific ones. So as you can see, we can find these authenticator, etc. So I'm just going to stick with the previous one, which is the WhatsApp for WooCommerce. And now I'm just going to activate this plugin here, and I'm just going to wait for the plugin to be activated. And now we already have it. So simply we can just search for this one, and we can uh, click on how we can find it. So basically you can simply go to WooCommerce, and we need just to search for notification settings so we can be able to enable the WhatsApp notifications. So as you can see, already a tab that has been added, which is the WC messaging, and you can try it. And then you will need just to add your WhatsApp business account, your access token, your numbers, etc. So you will be able to start sending notifications. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.